Main thing would be, let's go to cleaning. And from there, you'll see where, these castings kind of get, the beginning process of getting new life again. Okay.
More parts laying around everywhere.
Yes. Yep.
So this looks like some type of an oven.
So no, this is our blaster.
Okay.
So it starts with the oven over here, this big blue thing. We put our, all the stuff you just saw will go into cages, and we'll put it in our oven and we'll burn off all the oils, the paint, break it all down. So after it comes out of the oven, it'll come out looking like this. All that kind of powdery, because everything broken down. It's bone dry. From there, we're gonna now blast it.
So we're cooking off all of the grease, the paint, the dirt, everything. What's the temperature inside this thing?
It ranges up to like almost 800 degrees and plus. So it gets pretty hot to really cook everything down.
Like self-cleaning an oven.
Yeah, absolutely. Kind of like self-cleaning an oven. And then from there, it'll go into the blaster.
Before we move on to that, can we show these bins?
Yeah, show the castings and the bins here.
So we're basically putting all of this stuff into a bin,
Yep.
stacking these bins, and then shoving them in the oven.
Then putting them in the oven, yeah.
And I mean, you can get in here, you can see this crispiness.
Yeah, some of them come out crispier than others.
All this stuff just completely crispied out of here, and then all this is going to get cleaned.
Yep, and when it's done, it'll look like it's newly casted.